Did you know that some bees can recognize human faces? Honeybees can remember human faces like they recognize and remember flowers. Bees are colorblind to red. They can see ultraviolet light, which humans can't. They see color red as black. Bees have a built GPS. They use the positioning of the sun, the Earth magnetic field, and their memories of landmarks to navigate and find their way back to the hive. Bees pollinate 1/3 of the food we eat, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Bees communicate through dancing. They perform waggle dance to tell other bees where to find the best flowers.